Hi everyone, this poster is on the associations between fiction reading, face recognition, and facial expression identification. Face recognition is needed for individuals to interact with their social worlds effectively. Previous studies suggested individual differences in face perception ability, such as extroversion. On the other hand, fiction reading enables individuals to create a social world, and previous studies had found fiction reading could improve social cognition and social ability skills. However, many fiction reading studies looked at the theory of mind and empathy and used the reading the mind in the eyes test, which many have argued is an old and not a reliable facial expression ability test. No studies that we know of have tested the direct association between fiction reading frequency as an individual difference factor associated with better face perception abilities. Therefore, the present study hypothesized the higher the reading frequency, the better the face recognition and facial expression identification abilities, and an extreme selection approach was used based on Lee et al. Study to select the most representative samples for frequent and infrequent group readers. 100 participants were recruited and undertook the well-known Cambridge Face Memory Test. A 3 alternative forced choice task was presented after learning a face in 3 different positions, and they later learned 6 new faces. The second condition involved new faces in different lighting, the third condition involved new images and noise, and the fourth section involved pixelated noise plus internal noise, including expressive faces not learned at study. A more up-to-date emotion recognition task was used for measuring facial identification ability, where a face morphed from 0 to varying percentage intensities for each expression, and participants would then select one of 6 facial expression labels. The UK version of the author recognition task was used to measure participants' fiction reading frequency, which included 65 real author names and 65 fake author names intermixed and randomized for each participant. Results found in a normal population, face recognition and facial expression identification ability was better in the frequent readers group compared to the infrequent reader group. However, it should be noted our sample size was very small after the extreme selection approach. Our results could be explained by a social motivation factor and better social ability skills, as previous studies found fiction reading could predict extroversion, whilst people better at face recognition are associated with extroversion and social abilities. People with better social abilities may find it rewarding to read fiction, and fiction reading could be arming readers with social cognition and ability skills to practice in the real world. However, recognizing face and facial expressions could be a lower level social cognitive skill needed before utilizing and improving higher level social cognitive abilities effectively.